Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a trim entities command discuss here. And guys, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 14. Okay, today discuss here a SolidWorks lecture 14 is very important, and trim command is also very important because this command is very useful and helpful for 2D drafting any geometry. And guys, SolidWorks all commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, at first open a SolidWorks software and then use this trim entities command. Okay, this is our SolidWorks interface, and at first select a plane is a front plane. Okay, and draw any drawing here and then use a trim command. Okay, at first select any line drawing here, and this command is very useful, this and again this drawing any line, and this is very important. More than line, then easily say here. Okay, this is a very important. Okay, this and this command. Okay, select this point, and this line is a correct. Okay, this is a super. Okay, draw a last line, you draw here, this is a perfect. Okay, and exit, and again a drawing here line, this is a perfect line drawing here, this is a correct. This is a nice here. Okay, this is a correct drawing here. Okay, select this is a this point is this is a delete here. Okay, this is a delete. Okay, again click a line and select this point and drag this line is a correct, and this is a perfect, and this this is a perfect. Okay, exit, this is a perfect. Any zigzag a line is a drawing here, and any more than line is connect here, and you can see here on the screen, and then use a very important command is a trim. Okay, all command is you can see here easily. Option is a first option is power trim, second option is corner trim, and third is a trim away inside, and fourth is trim away outside, and last is a trim to closest. Okay guys, one by one is discussed here and very simply and easily learn here. Okay, at first select a power trim, and power trim is use this icon is you can see here easily drawing, easily learn here, and this icon is power trim means at first any select line. Okay, this is select line, and then other line is a click here, and this line is at first line is select here, and then second line is this, and first line is already first line is trim. Okay, then first line is select here, and then second line is this is a second line is select here, then first line is a trim. Okay, and again this line is a select here, first and this is a connect. This second line is, this line is a trim. Okay, this is a trim. Okay, easily, clearly. Okay, select first and this is a second. Okay, then first, this is a second. Okay, again corner trim is a use here. Both icon is a two line is select here, means first line is select here this, and this is a this, all is a delete here. Okay, this is a corner trim. Okay, at first corner trim is use this line and use a this line. Okay, all is a delete here. Okay, and connected all is a delete here, and this is a trim away inside, means two line at first select here, means this line is a at first this, and this is a select here. Okay, two line is a select here, and this trim away inside means inside is a trimmed. Okay, this is a trimmed. Okay, clearly learn here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and trim away outside means trim both line is select here, and both line is already select here, and this is outer trim. This portion is outer trim. Is this is not connected, this is not connected, then not active. Okay, this is a connect here, and this is a this. Okay, outer trim is delete here. Okay, this is a trim. Okay, easily learn here. And last is a trim to closes. This is a very important, and this is very useful, because all one portion is delete here, means this is a delete. Okay, this is a delete. Okay, any is multi use, and this is a delete here. Okay, any this portion is delete here, this portion is also, this is a very important, and this is a this is a one by one is delete here. Okay, this last is a very important here. Okay, this is a click here. Okay, okay guys, this command is very important, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, and guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.